welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send money on Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So first of all, you need to simply tap open your Cash App app from your home screen. Once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now to send money to others, all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. After you have done this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So here, simply scroll down and tap on linked banks. Once you tap on it, you will find different kind of banks that are already linked to your account. Simply tap open one of the accounts and you will end up in this kind of interface. So now you need to type in the username of the particular Cash App you want to send money to, and once you have selected that account, you need to tap on pay. Now simply select the amount you want to send. After you have done this, you need to hit on the pay option right besides request. Once this is done, you need to now verify yourself by verifying your Face ID on your Apple or another device. After you have done this, you will be able to send money on Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.